Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best Jeep roof racks on Amazon. A roof rack is one of the simplest solutions, and there are tons of options available. Some are all-in-one rack solutions, and some are just crossbars that allow you to mount a variety. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Arson Universal Roof Rack. The Arson Universal Roof Rack is a great choice for carrying extra bags, luggage, equipment, and camping gear, including a rooftop tent. If you're searching for a Jeep roof rack that will fit essential items, this is an excellent choice. This rack is equipped with heavy-duty bottom metal bars for durability and safety. It's built with a steel wind fairing that helps to reduce noise and wind resistance when driving in poor weather conditions. Plus, its capacity is large compared to some rival brands. It's easy to assemble and features a steel wind fairing to decrease wind resistance and noise. The rack also has a rugged ridge to securely keep items in place. However, you need to carefully load belongings onto the rack because uneven weight distribution can make items unstable. What we like about it: powder-coated steel prevents rust from forming. 4 thick U-bolts tightly secure to the crossbars. Steel wind deflector helps eliminate resistance and improve fuel economy. What we don't like about it: thin gauge steel means a lighter load rating. Uneven weight distribution could cause issues. Number 2. CURT Universal Rooftop Cargo Carrier. The CURT Universal Rooftop Cargo Carrier is another great option. Measuring 41.5 into 37 into 4 inches, the rack fits most roof rack crossbars and comes with universal brackets. The 4-inch high walls help keep objects safely in place, while the deflector in front repels wind during high speeds. What we like about it: side walls help secure cargo. Compact design and universal fit. Expandable with additional CURT products. What we don't like about it: thin gauge steel could bend under high weight. Brackets reported by buyers as too thin a well. Number 3. Hook Road Roof Rack Crossbars. The Hook Road Roof Rack Crossbars kayak cargo carriers are designed for the Jeep Wrangler JKJL Gladiator JT 2007 to 2023 models with 4-door hard tops. These crossbars are made of high-quality aluminum, which is lightweight and durable, with a weight capacity of 150 pounds. They come with a black powder-coated finish, which gives them a sleek and stylish look that complements the Jeep's aesthetics. Installing the Hook Road Roof Rack Crossbars kayak cargo carriers is easy and straightforward. You don't need any drilling or cutting, as they bolt onto the existing hard-top mounting points on your Jeep. The installation process takes around 30 minutes and comes with all the necessary hardware and instructions. One of the significant advantages of the Hook Road Roof Rack Crossbars kayak cargo carriers is their versatility. What we like about it: versatility. Durability. What we don't like about it: limited compatibility. Number 4. Rhino Rack Aero Bar 4WD Roof Rack. The Rhino Rack Aero Bar fits 4-door hardtop 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JKs and 4-door hardtop 2018 to 2021 Jeep Wrangler JLs. It's designed for vehicles that have protruding side gutters. If you don't want a permanent rack on your Jeep, this is a great solution, and it's ideal for transporting kayaks, paddleboards, and other items. One of the best features of this roof rack is that it's easy to install and remove. Strong and durable, this rack has flush-style vortex bars that match the length of your Jeep's roof. Vortex generating strips are included to minimize wind noise, and you can use several accessories with it, which makes it even more convenient. What we like about it: made of glass reinforced nylon that should hold up well. Special tool needed to remove it, reducing theft potential. Specifically designed for Jeep Wranglers. What we don't like about it: not intended for hardcore off-road use. Some parts may be missing from the box. Number 5. Reese Explore Rooftop Cargo Basket. The Reese Rooftop Cargo Basket is a less expensive option for your hauling needs. It requires an existing set of crossbars to work, but it includes universal mounting hardware, making the roof rack suitable for a range of Jeeps. What we like about it: slim design does not add much to vehicle height. Covered in a black powder coat for added protection and durability. Easy installation with basic tools. What we don't like about it. Load capacity suffers from low gauge steel. Smaller size may not align with all crossbar gaps. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.